Welcome. Today I'll take you through a non-profit organization site, a full stack non-profit organization site made with in here Next.js, and to this point I would like to thank those that are taking time to subscribe. I would like to also encourage everyone to subscribe and hit the bell button for more content. I have a few demos on that is a logistics website, a tours and travel consultancy company site. You can look at them. You look at them where you get ideas. If you have an idea you want to put into action, feel free to contact. I think my WhatsApp is in here, and you can as well comment. You can comment, you can give your mind, you can list features you would want into a certain demo. We can do that. If you have a project proposal, you have a project, I can help you work on it, and we see how we progress. But today I'll basically take you through a non-profit organization website. It's made with it has an admin dashboard. It has got different features and functions. We have donations, we have campaigns, we have comments, we have so much. So basically this is our homepage. Everything you see, these banners are coming straight from the database. They are coming straight from the database. I used MongoDB. I used MongoDB with Prisma to achieve this. This is coming from the database. We proceed here. These are links to the different pages that get involved, just like you can see on the left hand corner, left bottom corner. You can see the links about us, events, get involved. This is it. We have upcoming events. These are the different events posted on the events page. We just fetched two, the latest ones that were created last are the ones we fetched here, and this we render them on the home page. These are the different, and they've got a detailed page. We shall be looking at that, but basically this is what is on our home page. We've got the featured campaigns. These are the different campaigns that are in here. Still also I had to collect 2, 3, and I think the rest are on the other page. We have impact stories. We shall look at them one page at a time. We have blogs and then testimonials. This is a carousel and the new car carousel. Okay, this homepage was made with Swiper.js, and then the carousel is the Nuka carousel. We shall look into the code. You'll see that we have partners, we have the FAQs, and the FAQs have got also the FAQs also have a detailed page. We shall look at it, and this is our footer. So basically this is the home page, and proceeding to another page, we shall look at the campaigns page. Okay, this is the campaigns page. We listed all the campaigns here. These are the different campaigns so far. We've got the we've got this. We have 3. We've got 3, so we shall look at one. We shall look at any. We can look at this, the detailed page of this. Okay, this is the detailed page of this campaign. We've got these are the different images, and then some feature to look out for. That is the comments feature. Someone can comment on this campaign. You can try this. I can say this is Owen. I can use any email here, and then I can issue my comment. Oh, pretty good. I will contribute. Then I can send an email and I can send a comment. So new comment created. Okay, after creating a new comment, I think it should be in position to display here. Yeah, this is it. By Owen, posted on date. Posted on date. This is my comment. Well, that is some feature to look out for, the comments feature. But here we've got the recent campaigns. It as well lists all the campaigns, the recent campaigns you have, and here the recent donations. So this is the detailed page of the campaigns. The next page we shall look at is the events. Okay, this is the events page, and so far I have 4 events. I have 4 events here. We're going to look at one. Let's look at this Dance Youth Sports Fitness Festival. I can learn more. This will push us to the detailed page of the event, and this is it. You can register for this event. Someone can feed in their names, email and phone numbers, and they register for this event. These are the few details about the event, the recent events posted here. This has got details about the event, the organizer, and how someone can reach out to the organizer of the event, and it can as well post the location of the event using Google Maps. Yeah, so this is the events page. We shall proceed to the blogs. Okay, these are the blogs. I think I have only 2, and these have as well got they've got detailed pages. Okay, I think this is it. This is the detailed page of the blog. We shall look into the code and see. These are just the related blogs. Now we shall proceed to the gallery. Okay, I intended to make a gallery with tabs, whereby we have a tab for videos, we have a tab for images, and at this point for our organization, I think that's what I will do. But basically this is as well coming from the database, and I'll need to change. I think I'll need to change this. I separate the videos from the images. I'll basically create 2 tabs, but this is it. This is just to showcase the images of the different, can be events, can be campaigns, or anything, or any update. Then we shall look at the About Us page. So this is the About Us page, a few about the non-profit organization, the mission, vision, core values, and all that. Not so complicated as such. We shall look at the Contact Us page. This is the Contact Us page, and with the Contact Us page, we've got, these are the contact details of the organization, the location using Google Maps. We've got a contact form, and this contact form is integrated with and that is integrated with Resend, just like I do. I use Resend, though I don't think this is yet working. No, it's not yet working. I'll have to work on it, but this is our contact form and the contact details on our contact page. We shall look at some other pages here. We've got that Make Donations page, whereby someone can decide to donate, or you can simply click this button of Donate up here. So navigate to this, Donate. Localhost sometimes takes longer to respond. Okay, so this is it. This is our donations page. Someone can sign up to donate, and what happens here is once you feed in all this information and you press continue, the moment you press continue, we capture this information into the database and we keep this record. Once you press continue, you'll be prompted to feed in your card details, your names, and you'll be prompted to feed in the names, the card number, the card expiration, and the CVV. And once you click on Pay Now, you'll be in position to, the transaction will be in position. Okay, we shall finish the transaction, but then this is made with Stripe. Normally use Stripe. We can use local payment methods, just like in my country, Uganda. We use mobile money. We have what we call MTN, and we have Airtel. We get APIs and do integrate that, but we can use here Stripe is okay, and feels secure for donations. We can as well use PayPal to transact, but for this case I think it will be Stripe. When we proceed to other pages, we've got the testimonials page. Okay, this is not yet worked on. We shall look at the stories page. Okay, these are the different stories, impact stories, and these are meant to attract donors. People can read through the success stories of the different people that have gained hope from the organization, and this is it. This as well from the database. And then we've got a volunteers page. Someone can apply to volunteer. It can be a teacher, it can be a social worker, you can be anything. You can apply to volunteer. You can be a medical doctor, and you need to extend your services to the organization. So this is the sign up form. You feed in all information about you. You select the area of interest you'd like to volunteer in. You can say health, maybe you're a medical doctor, you'd like to volunteer. You can put a motivation statement. You can as well choose your image here. You can choose your photo, you can upload it. I think it's uploading. Are we still recording? Okay, we're still on. Okay, let's assume this is your passport photo or something, your alias or avatar. You can upload it volunteer, and see new volunteer created successfully. So this is it. You can apply to volunteer. You can as well, we have the, let me first go to the FAQ, the frequently asked questions. This is for those visiting the site for the first time and they need help with what to find where and how to do certain things. So this is basically it. You can get help here, and whatever you can't find here, I think you can directly head to the contact us page, fill in that form and submit your query or inquiry. Then you've got the carriers and tenders. The organization may want to maybe supply of certain goods, maybe some services, may post tenders. This is it. When you come to the carriers and tenders page, you're in position to see listed carriers and tenders. What I did was I got the two pages. I have got the carriers, those can be the job postings, and then you've got tenders. So for carriers, you can navigate, you can look through what job these guys have posted and the application procedures they are in, and then you can apply online. Let's use this. Let's view the detailed page. Review Kachina store. I think I have some issue here. I have some issues. Okay, the issue is getData.tsx. Reviews is equal to await. Response.gestion is not a valid. I think this is in my libs and in the getData function. Sorry. In the libs in the getData function. I think this problem arises from the carriers page, right? And the front end carriers page should be the detailed page. Okay, it happens when we hit the detailed page, right? Yeah, so I think the issue should be here. Carriers. Anyways, I will check my hosted version to save time. As it loads, I hosted this. This is already hosted. I'll first look if I see if I still have the same error here. When I check, okay, still the same thing here. I'll need to check on this. Okay, it's okay. I'll need to check on that. But then this is like sort of a job posting area on our site whereby someone can apply online. We've got the tenders. I haven't worked on the tenders, but with the tenders, these guys do post whatever tenders they have. It can be they want someone to supply them with certain products, something like that. So companies come in, submit bids, and then they go through the selection criteria, and then these guys nominate whoever they are comfortable working with. We can come up with such, I think, a system onto this, whereby a certain company can sign up and these guys can track their bid, submission details, and progress. Basically those are most of the pages here. I think I'll head to the dashboard. We've got admin down here. We've got admin. Let's look at the dashboard briefly. I hope we're still on. Okay, we're on. It's taking long, the login. It's down here on the admin. Since we don't have roles and permissions here, I only need one login. I don't need to put the login button up here anywhere. I only need this. Let me just route here to login. Okay, I will log in. I don't know if I still remember the password. Let me hope it's okay. Okay, sign in error. Check your credentials. What I happen not remember what I used. Okay, I think this is successful. It should redirect us to the admin dashboard. Actually, it's one dashboard. We don't have roles and permissions here. Let's give it some minutes, some seconds. Okay, all right, we are in. This is our dashboard. We've got the statistics right here. This is actual. This is actual. This is what is in the database. A number of volunteers, campaigns, and events. I think this is not up to date. These active events, active campaigns, and careers. I haven't worked on this chart as well. I haven't given it data, but then the events are fine. Someone can edit, delete. We shall be looking at that. The rest is fine. So this is our dashboard. So we shall look at the events. Okay, these are the different events, and we can create an event. Okay, this is our form. We can fill it in. I use fake filler just to save time. This is just dummy data, so I can choose an image. I can choose this random, and then this is like other product images, should be other event images. I can upload up to 2 images here at the same time. I think this is okay. I can change it at any time I want. These are also uploading. Okay, here we are. We've got these other 2 images. So this is our form, and we can create. I think this needs to be changed. Okay, After creating, I think this is what we've created. We can edit this. We can edit this, taking long. Okay, we've got this, so we can edit. Let's say we can change the title to maybe Northern Uganda campaign. Sorry, we can change the title, then we update, and this is it. The title has changed, so that is for the event. So we can come into the categories. These are different categories. The same thing, we can create one and we test our code. We can use this, create category, and do we have revalidate here? I don't think. Let me refresh. Okay, this is it. You can edit this as well. You can edit this as well. We call it I can call it medical access. So medical access, I can update this, and let me refresh here. I think, okay, medical access, I can delete this. Okay, this is it. These are the categories. I can proceed to campaigns. Basically, I'll just look into this. I want to do any more, delete and all that. So these are the different. We can create one. Okay, this is a form. We can create a campaign. We shall look at volunteers as well. These are different volunteers. You can as well create a volunteer, but it's the other side. Okay, you can do it here as well. Yes, this is it. This is the form we had on the front end. This is the form we had the other side on the volunteers page, whereby someone can apply to volunteer. We've got stories here. We've got stories here. We can edit, delete, we can create. Let's look at the create form. And this is it. Well, it has got this. I so much use this. This gives us the ability to format everything the way we want. We can bold, we can italicize, underline, we can add images in here. So this gives us features just like you see Microsoft Word. You can do something like this, add images onto your form input, and this basically displays the way you edit it here. It displays on the UI the way you edit it here. So this is so good. We've got donations, we've got partners, we've got blogs, testimonials. I won't look at all of these, but we've got all of these. We've got subscribers, team members, we've got newsletters, FAQs, carriers, tenders, banners. These are the banners on the carousel on our hero section, and they are coming right from the database here. So this is it. The comments as well are from here, and we've got here you can log out. I won't log out. Still utilizing this, but we shall let's dive into the code and look at what's behind the scenes. And I'll first close all this. So this is our app. This is our app setup. Basically we've got the app with the back end and front end. And when you look onto the front end, we've got the different pages that are being displayed on the UI. We've got the about us page, the blogs, campaigns, the careers, contact us, donate. All pages are in here on the front end. Well, with Next.js's app route, we are in position to issue our app 2 layouts. We can use this layout on the front end, and we can dictate certain features that we do not want to be displayed on the dashboard. You look at this, you find that the dashboard, I'll duplicate this, you find that the dashboard has got a totally different layout. It has got the sidebar and this top nav bar. But then when you look at the front end, on the front end we've got something totally different. So this is as a result of this. When I dictate front end with parentheses, I mean I can use a different layout to dictate what's to be displayed on the layout on the front end, and then when I come onto the back end, I can dictate something different on the layout. And after all that, I've got a general layout for the entire site, whereby I have some few things here that apply the toaster, the Next.js plugin. This is for upload thing. So basically this is cutting across everything on the site. But then if we have something we do not want to be used onto the front end or back end, that's why we dictate this with parentheses. But in actual sense, when you're routing, you won't see that front end, you only see about us page. You see something like this, home slash about us. You see something like that. You won't see anything like this is on the front end or in the back end. So it does not show these in the parentheses. So basically that is it. We have the different pages here. We've got the layout. I did SEO for this. I did on page SEO where I've got the sitemaps. I think I've got the robots here as well. We have the middleware. Okay, this is basically it. Let's visit one page, and that will be specifically the we can use what can we can use the campaigns page. Look at this. We've got this. We declare the metadata, and then we can work on our own page SEO right here in the page. We can as well use do that on a dynamic pages, whereby we just have come and declare this. We declare the canonicals, the description, we've got the title, the open graph, we've got images and all that. So this is very nice if you want to come up with search engine optimization for your site. We've got the robots also here, whereby we're declaring some few things here on the sitemap, the base URL. We've got the sitemap. So this is ideal in case you want online presence. You first have to do the on-page SEO, then you can proceed with the off-page SEO, whereby you're using the Google console to set it up. I think I'll make one video covering SEO using a Google console and all that. But basically this is it. This is looking into our back end. We've got the dashboard, we've got the different let's take case of maybe this. Really, this is new. we can take case of the categories. Okay, this is it. And what's interesting about Next.js is the component reusability. You can use any component anywhere. You can just like I did here, when I'll navigate to one of my forms. I think this form, I think you can look at this. I've got the text input and it's taking in label name, register errors, and all these, because I first of all made this text input somewhere, and then I had to make it reusable. I made everything reusable, so I don't need to repeat this component anywhere when I want to use it. So I just call this component here, I'll call it the way it is, and I'll feed in whatever I want. If I want a text input for the category title, I'll put this. If I want for maybe an event title, I can just call this. So this makes life easier, and it saves on the time you take writing. Let's say you're writing all this component in your form, the code will be too much and it will in the end become overwhelming to you. But if you learn how to reuse your form components, your components in Next.js, you find that life will be easy for you. So basically this is it. I'll come up with a video showing you how I made custom emails for this site. I made custom emails for it, and I also come up with off pages EO using Google Console. I'll post it, but basically this is it. This is our site, simple as this. This is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. You can hit the bell button such that we create more content and find a way of helping each other. Anytime you have a query, you have a comment, feel free to comment, whether criticism, whether you found an error somewhere or something that's not right. That is very okay. Feel free to comment, and always subscribe whenever you come across a video, such that you can be in position to let Google open this to more other people. So thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.